Welcome to Mindfulness Flow, day 262 of the 365 Days Meditation Challenge. Today's meditation is about giving yourself the space to heal by setting gentle, unconditional boundaries for your own well-being. Let's begin by taking a deep breath in and exhale slowly. Feel your body settling. Imagine a soft, protective light surrounding you, creating a safe space for your mind and heart. Notice any areas of tension or discomfort. Allow them to rest in this safe space without judgment. Now, say to yourself, I honor my need to heal. My boundaries keep me safe and nurtured. And I give myself permission to rest and recover. Breathe slowly and gently, letting each inhale fill you with calm, and each exhale release what no longer serves you. When you're ready, gently bring yourself back to the present and carry this sense of safety and self-care with you throughout your day. Thank you for joining me on Mindfulness Flow. I'll see you tomorrow for another day of inner peace.